Hey guys, now we're going to speak about the movie Wake Up Sid, which was released in the year 2009 and was directed by Aryan Mukherjee and produced by Karan Johar. This movie involves around two people. One is Sid, who was a spoiled brat, and one was Konkana Sen, Aisha, who was an independent girl who came down to Mumbai for his career as a writer. Uh, though both strangers meet in one party, whereas Sid, who just live his life fully and spending his dad money partying, expected from his friend who he was in study. He knew that he was gonna fail, so he expected the same thing from his friend, that he's go where he will fail and his friend will fail. And was very disappointed when he saw all of his friends had passed and except for him. At that time, one line was I remember one line from दिल चाहता है, when शर्मन जोशी सेज कि दुख तो तब होता है, तब नहीं होता जब हम फेल हो जाते हैं, दुख तो तब होता है जब दोस्त पास हो जाते हैं. So that word came to my mind, and he was quite disappointed and he fought with his parent. And before that, his dad was forcing him to come and join the company, and instead of concentrating on his work and helping his dad, he was again staying the worst life, you can say, the party, spending time with friends. So when he got failed, he didn't respected his father and mother and thought to leave the house, and went to stay with Konkana Sen, to whom he has helped to find the house. At first, Konkana Sen find him good, but later she also find him as a burden, as he was a burden for his family as well. Everything turned around with him when the incident happened about him making an egg, and Konkana Sen shouting at him and asked him to leave the place. At that time, he asked for a chance, a last chance, and when she allowed him to stay, and she who found him and discovered his passion in photography, she suggested him to join her company, to join as a photographer. And about Konkana Sen, though she wanted to become a writer, she went for an interview, got selected as an assistant, and she thought to start working with that Mumbai Beats, so that she will thinking of that she will get a platform to start her work from there, to start as a writer. And that reminds me of one thing, कि कोई भी काम छोटा बड़ा नहीं होता है, until unless you do it from your heart, and you can find a way from that. And Sid, he found passion, he discovered his passion about his photography, and he joined as an intern. Though he belonged to a very rich family, he joined as an intern. And before joining, again the incident which was very heartbreaking for him was when he went to a restaurant and he found his credit card was blocked by his father, obviously, and the friend whom he used to hate has paid the bill. And that time she said something to her, that just because of his father influence, he got the opportunity in that college, and she was being a brilliant student she was. So that was like occupying the place of a needy person and wasting that place by doing nothing, you doing nothing. And it was after that, the both people finding themselves as a kiddish, whereas Aisha found Sid as a kid, and his senior of Aisha found her as a kid. So both realized their mistakes, and they came close to each other. This story, at the end, the most happiness part, when his passions to turn into a dream, and his dream was fulfilled when his photograph was displayed in an article, and he was very happy with that. And as a writer, when Aisha's article was selected by his senior, he liked it, and that was the most heart-winning part, that at least they chased their passion and their dream came true. So learning what I have seen in this movie, okay, whatever you do, whatever work we do it passionately, do it from your heart, and be honest with your work. Though Sid was a spoiled brat, The time he started chasing his passion, he did it with very, he dedicated himself to that work, and even asked for a chance to for a photography to exhibit his photograph. And uh, and for Aisha, when she found that her article was not up to mark, and she thought to write it again. So that is the moment, like, one says, okay, though he was not aware, he was still practicing their photography, and though she was aware, she started to do it again, thinking of that the first article would be a practice. Thank you, guys.